Hey, what's up, shiba inu holders? So after a very long time, this is very alert and very good news for all of you, because my brother shiba inu and the last 24 hours take a very good jump now, my brother. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited to and the last 24 hours they change according positive. So this is very alert news for all of you, my brother, and it's a very good news. I have two news, my brother, especially one good news and one bad news. I'm so sorry for bad news, but the good news absolutely I will announce now. So my brother, this time I predicate this coin, I do a technical analysis, my brother, and I share my opinion. So let's see, my brother, let's get started this brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press out the bell icon for more type informative videos. Please subscribe, please. All right, so this time you can say, my brother, max supply as 9999, I think something more billion. So this time you can see, my brother, the chain after last 24 hours, so you can see a 1.28% just in only the price is increased now in last 24 hours. So it's a really massive chain after, my brother, especially because after a very long time you can see the last 7 days started also a negative minus 28% minus 28%. The price is decreasing now in last 7 days. So therefore in last 24 hours just in only they take a very huge jump, but after that you can see on the chain across last 1 hour again negative now, so they fails down. All crypto market, not just unique shiba, my brother, is moving upward in last 24 hours. All crypto market is wake up, especially for short time. So therefore, my brother, you can see the result check across everything detail is on the screen. If you check out, my friend, the more details about shiba inu, my brothers, to what's going on this time, and this coin is can give you, my friend, a profit and not. So there is not available. If you check out the alerts, so alerts is also not available, and because, my brother, the team of shiba inu is sleeping down, my brothers, so therefore they cannot give us alert. But ABS channel, one of the unique, they will alert you, so you need to subscribe it, man, subscribe it. All right, my brother. So my prediction absolutely did after a very long research, my friend. I predicate this coin and I see the expert, my friends, charts to what they says, and can really there is a chance to them moving upward or not, my brother. So I found this, my friends, to really in upcoming time this coin there is more chances to them moving upward, and there are 3 reasons, my friends, to there is chance to them moving upward. The first reason is that, my friends, especially to this is start now in the mid of month, and every cryptocurrency is wake up at the mid of month, so there is more chances to they will moving upward. And the second reason is that to if holders are hold, then definitely this coin is moving upward. And absolutely short term investor, long term investor, they are hold and wait for the end of month in those days. So therefore I hope they were starting upward. And the third reason is that, my friends, especially in last month this coin is completely fails down, so definitely after a bit fails they take a jump. So therefore I hope they will take a very good jump, and my expectation is very good from shiba inu. So therefore I tell you, my brother, to there is a chance to they will take a jump. And yes, my brother, what's the good news? Yeah, the good news is that, my brothers, to my brother, I do a giveaway. We complete 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 people trust on ABS channel. It's mean to ABS channel is very good for you, my brothers. If you take I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to if you subscribe this channel, you never lost, my brothers. So try to understand, hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.